Hello and welcome to Feature Friday with the Right Choice Group at Keller Williams Realty. I'm Barbie Johnson and today we are featuring Dunbar Electric, a locally owned and operated residential, commercial, and industrial electric company serving the Lafayette area and surrounding communities.
Dunbar Electric offers service, upgrades, installation, and anything you may need concerning electric. No job is too big or too small for Scott Dunbar and his team. Dunbar Electric is a fully insured and bonded electric company and have over 20 years of experience. They are very knowledgeable in their profession and strive for positive customer service. They have the training, equipment, and experience to update your electrical or install new electrical. You can contact Scott Dunbar at Dunbar Electric via email or call or text 765-430-6214. So whether you have a current electrical issue, need an upgrade, or you're working on a new build in need of clean and safe electric work, contact Dunbar Electric.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this post, brought to you by the Right Choice Group at Keller Williams Realty.